Hello student, welcome to my channel. Here, today we shall discuss a very interesting topic that will be on perimeter. In the last video, we have discussed about perimeter of square, and I hope that you get everything clear. Today we shall discuss some more about perimeter of some certain figure. Okay, so I hope that you would like this too much. So let us start. So our today's topic will be perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. This will be our today's topic. So let's see. So here, first of all, let us see basic of rectangle. So when we see this figure here, two questions arises. The first is what is the rectangle? The first question is what is the rectangle? And the second is what are in the rectangle? What are in the rectangle? So whenever we see such type figure, then there two questions arises. The first is what is the rectangle, and the second is what are in the rectangle. So the answer of first question will be a rectangle is a closed figure in which the opposite sides are equal. Okay, and in the rectangle there are length and breadth only. So these are the answers of these questions, and here we shall play on only this fact. So let us see the perimeter. Since, as we have discussed, a rectangle is a closed figure in which the opposite sides are equal. So if we suppose that the length of this rectangle is L and the breadth is B, then we shall apply the definition of perimeter on this figure. We say that the total distance or the total length of the boundary of a closed figure is called perimeter. So here we can say that if this one will be L, then its opposite will also have the length of L, and this will be equal to B. Okay, now here its perimeter will equal to L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, it can be also written as L plus L and plus B plus B, or it can be also written as 2 into L plus 2 into B. Now taking common 2, we get 2 into L plus B, which will be the required parameter of rectangle. So this will be the formula of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. So students, I hope it is clear to everyone how we have to find the perimeter of rectangle. Okay students, so I hope this is clear to everyone. Now let us see some question on this topic. The first question is, if a rectangular field is 17 meter long and 50 meter wide, then find its perimeter. This is the given question. So let us see the question. If a rectangular field is 17 meter long and 15 meter wide, then what will be its perimeter? So here we write length of rectangle. The length of rectangle will equal to 70 meter and breadth of rectangle is equal to 15 meter. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle will equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so these are the given quantity in the question, and this is our formula. Okay, now we shall put the value in the given formula. Here we get 2 multiplied by, what is the length? Length is 17 meter. So write here 17, and the breadth is 15 meter. So write here 15. And when we solve it, we get 2 into 17 plus 15 will equal to 32. Okay, and this will be equal to 64 meter. Therefore 64 meter will our required result. Okay, 64 meter will be the right answer. So students, let us see the solution once again. So first of all, we see the question. If a rectangular field is 17 meter long and 15 meter wide, then what will be its perimeter? So as we know that the perimeter of a rectangle is two time of sum of length and breadth as you can see in the formula. Now just putting the value of length and breadth in this formula, we shall get 2 multiplied by 17 plus 15, and this will be equal to 17 plus 15 will equal to 32 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 64 meter. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now let us see some new type of question that are asked in your examination. Okay, and the level of the question is also increases in your class 7. So let us see the new type of question. If the length of a rectangle, sorry, right here breadth. Okay, length of a rectangle is 12 meter and its diagonal is 30 meter, then what will be its perimeter? This is the given question. So let's try to understand what does the question want to say. Then we shall think about its solution. The question says that if the length of a rectangle is 12 meter and its diagonal is 30 meter, then what will be its perimeter? Okay, since we know that the length will greater is always greater than its breadth, but we also know that the diagonal of a quadrilateral is always greater than any of its length. So therefore here 13 is its diagonal and hence it is greater than its length. Now, so first of all, in order to find the value of the result, we have to draw the figure. This is a rectangle A, B, C, D. The length is 12 meter and its diagonal. This is its diagonal and it is 30 meter. Okay, if since we know that in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, therefore it will also be 12 meters. Okay, now just hide its one half part, then you will find that A, B, C be an right angle triangle. When you hide this portion, then ABC represent a right angle triangle, and we also know that the angle which is formed at every corner of the rectangle is of 90 degree, and hence it is clear that ABC is an right angle triangle. Now, sorry, since in order to get the perimeter of a rectangle, we need length and breadth. But in the question, length is given, but breadth is not given. So here we have to find out breadth of the rectangle first. So here, using Pythagorean theorem, we can easily find out the value of the breadth. Okay. So here, from triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, and here just put the value. AC is given 13 meter. So right here 13 square is equal to the value of BC is 12 meter. So right here AB, sorry, its length, So here we have to change the notation AB. So you can write A, B and C, D. Now your formula will also be changed, and here we get BD square. BD square will equal to AB square and plus BC square. AB square and plus BC square. Now put the value of AB. The value of AB is 12 square and plus BC is unknown that we have to find. So square of 13 is 169. This will equal to 144 and plus BC square. Now it is positive, so when it goes to the left side become negative, and here we get BC square is equal to 169 minus 144. Okay, so when we solve here, we get BC square is equal to 25, or BC into BC is equal to 5 into 5. Okay, so we can write like this. You can see here, and hence here we get BC is equal to 5 meter. So that here we get B is equal to 5. Okay, now using this we can find the value of the perimeter. So perimeter P is equal to 2 into L plus B, and here put the value 2 into 12 plus 5, and this will be equal to 2 multiplied by 17 is equal to 34 meter, which is the required result. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to everyone. If you have any doubt, then please go to the comment section and mention there. I will clear in my next video. Okay, so we shall meet in the next video with new question. Till then, goodbye.